Planet Earth is a tapestry of life, woven with intricate ecosystems. Each species plays a vital role. But this balance is under threat. Invasive species are a growing problem. These are plants or animals that don't belong in a particular environment. Imagine a quiet lake, its surface shimmering under the sun. Beneath the surface, a silent invasion is underway. A foreign fish species, introduced accidentally, multiplies rapidly. It outcompetes native fish for food and habitat. This is just one example of how invasive species can wreak havoc. They can disrupt entire ecosystems. This has serious consequences for the plants and animals that naturally live there. Invasive species are a global issue, affecting every continent and ocean. Invasive species don't just magically appear in new environments, they are often transported there, either intentionally or unintentionally, by humans. One of the main culprits is global trade. Ships, planes and trucks can carry hidden hitchhikers. Seeds can be lodged in cargo or on clothing. Insects can stow away in wood products. Sometimes species are introduced intentionally. People may bring in plants for gardening or animals for pets. If these species escape into the wild, they can become invasive. Climate change is another factor. As temperatures rise, some species are expanding their ranges. They move into new areas where they were not found before. Invasive species are like unwelcome guests who overstay their welcome. They can cause significant ecological and economic damage. Ecologically, they can outcompete native species. This can lead to the decline or even extinction of native populations. Invasive species can also alter habitats. They change the physical structure and function of ecosystems. For example, invasive plants can change the fire regime in an area, making it more susceptible to wildfires. Economically, invasive species can cost billions of dollars annually. They can damage crops, clog waterways, and spread diseases. Managing and controlling invasive species is a costly endeavor. It requires significant resources and effort. The fight against invasive species is a global effort. There are several strategies for managing and controlling these invaders. Prevention is the first line of defense. This includes inspecting goods and cargo for hitchhiking species. Early detection and rapid response are crucial. Once an invasive species is established, it is much harder to control. Control methods include physical removal, chemical control, and biological control. Biological control involves introducing natural enemies of the invasive species. Public awareness is essential. Educating people about the impacts of invasive species and how to prevent their spread is key. By working together, we can protect our planet's biodiversity from these silent invaders.